So I'm going to do Howdy Food reviews here of Starkist Tuna Creation Sweet and Spicy. So I did have some supper earlier, but it was just some French toast. I was looking for something, not too much, because I just had supper, but it wasn't like that much. But I was looking for something besides. I didn't want to eat anything too much, but just saw this in the cabinet, so I decided to eat this. It smells pretty good. Is it gonna be good? I don't know. It smells pretty good. Oh, that's pretty good. Make myself a sandwich. Put some something on it, sauce-wise. No, this is actually really good. All right. Saved some honey mustard from earlier from my pizza that I had. That's really good. I'd give this a 8 out of 10 piece. I'll have this again. This tuna.